In this video, we're going to review one of the problems that people have had the most difficulty with in parallelograms, which is trying to find missing segments and missing angles. So, we're going to start with some given information. The length of segment EC, which is the entire diagonal from E to C, is 34 degrees. The measure of angle BED, this entire angle I have here with the orange arc, that's 55 degrees. So put a bigger 55 degrees. The measure of angle CDB is 67. And the measure of angle BCE is 24 degrees. It's very important to put the angles inside right at the vertex. And then the side lengths that were given are indicated on the diagram. So the first thing we want to do is find the missing segment lengths. So BC is opposite side ED, and in a parallelogram, opposite, so BC is 25. BD is the diagonal. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so F is in the middle. That's a midpoint. So from F to D would be the same distance as from B to F, so this would be 11. Therefore, the entire length from B all the way to D would be 11 plus 11, or 22. From F to C, that's halfway along the diagonal EC. And we know that EC is 34, so half of 34 is 17. So from F to C, that's half the diagonal. So we can put 17 here and there. And then CD, this side is opposite BE, so this is 16. It's really important to note that these are segments. We only name segments with 2 letters. We don't name angles with 2 letters. There's no degree sign. There's no angle symbol here. So it's very important not to confuse angles with segments. Now for the angles. We need to remember a few things. Opposite angles are congruent, and the same side or consecutive angles are supplementary. So before I even look at these 4, I know that this entire angle is 55 degrees. So this entire angle will also be 55 degrees. Since we know that this part of the angle is 24 degrees, if you do 55 minus 24, that will give you the other piece of this angle. And then, since this angle that I'm outlining here in pink is same side to the angle BCD in orange, same side angles are supplementary. So if I want the measure of angle EDC, I need to do 180 minus the 55. Because again, same side angles are supplementary. They equal 180 degrees. So that would leave us with 125 degrees for this angle and also for this angle, because those are opposite. Now we want angle EBD. So E to B to D. Well, all we know here is that this is 125 degrees. However, this 67 will help us out, because these 2 angles in pink are obviously related. They're opposite angles. So the 67 here is alternate interior with angle EBD. So this would be 67 degrees. So EBD 67, because it is alternate interior with BDC. And then we want angle BEC. Well, again, now we're looking at the 2 orange angles, which are related. So this angle here is alternate interior with this one. So angle BEC would be 31 degrees. And then angle DBC is here. Well, this entire angle is 125. We already know that this piece, EBD, is 67. So you simply need to subtract 125 minus 67, and you get 58 degrees. So 125, the entire angle, minus 67, 58 degrees. So when we're parallelograms and angles, it's really important to remember you have alternate interior pairs, opposite angles are congruent, and same side angles are supplementary.